Namaskaram. In this video, I am going to describe how to categorize yantras according to their use. According to the use of yantras, we have 7 categories. The first category is of the yantras are called Sharir yantras. Sharir yantras, Sharir means body, body yantras means yantras of chakras basically. Yantras of basically your energy of your body. So these yantras, they harmonize, they balances your chakras, your energy of your body. So these are Sharir yantras. Then second category we have Dharan yantra. Dharan yantra, Dharan means to wear, to worn. The yantras which we can wear. So for to wear yantra we have for every different yantras we have different how say ways. Some yantras are to be worn in the hand, some in the leg, some in your you can wrap around your neck, some you can wrap around your how say crown chakra also. So we have in second category we have Dharan yantras. Then in third category we have Chhattar yantras. Chhattar yantras means yantras that we can wear, that we can use on our head, on our turban, or up. Suppose some yantras you can place up also. So they are called Chhattar yantras. Then you have yantras for Darshan yantra. Darshan means to see. So every morning those people who are having darshan yantras, they wake up and they just look at those yantras, or whenever they are just passing by they just look at the yantra and like say namaskar. These are darshan yantras. Then we have yantras of puja yantra, that is prayer yantra. Prayer yantra is like the yantras then you can that you can pray for. The prayer yantras you pray you can keep in your temples also, you can keep in your home also. So these are to be prayed, the prayer yantras. Then we have asana yantras. Asana yantras are to be kept down. You can keep down the mat where you are doing your prayers, you are doing the meditations, or also you can keep this under your home also, under the temple also, under the deity also. You must have seen in India, traditionally when people make the home, they use a vastu yantra, they dig inside the home. So it's a form of asana yantra. Then we have mandala yantra. Mandal is in this yantra we have 9 participants. So in 9 participants, one will be sitting in the middle and others will be in the 8 direction in a circle. So in 8 directions, so the one who will be sitting in the mandala yantra will be reciting the main mantra of that yantra, and the other 8 ones will be deciding the corresponding mantras of the direction they are sitting. For every direction there is a different deity and different mantra. That also I am going to explain into this course. Thank you.